Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of Pixel 7 Pro. I purchased my Pixel 7 Pro from Google Store Japan. The original price for the 1 to 8 gigabytes was about 120,000 something, but I got the a 10% discount from the email, and then I also got the 35,000 yen store credit, and I also get the about 25,000 for trade in for my Pixel 3a. The package contain this Google original chips, potato chips, the Pixel 7 Pro, the special 15% special offer from Google Store for next purchase. Then this envelope, which I'm not sure what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. So let's start with the Google original chips. Yeah. So welcome to Team Pixel. And then yes. Yeah. I think this is welcome. It's below. And also the card, welcome to Team Pixel. So yes. So I think I've got this from when I register for the Google original chips from the SNS. And then I think this is the potato chips. So it's salty lemon. And then yeah, actually I also got the coupon or the campaign for the POFO. This is a new provider from in Japan, but I think I'm not gonna use it. So if anyone who wants to use this code, just use the code. I think you got the 3 gigabytes or 990 yen. Okay, then let's try to open this envelope. Alright, let me see. Okay, this is the Google Pixel 7 Pro and 7 guidebook. And then the survey, then Google one, then another special offer. This time is from Linemo. The previous one is from POFO, so different provider. So this guidebook, Pixel survey. This is the guidebook. Yes. So yeah, I think this is all the Google Pixel features, and when something wrong, I think we can return Pixel. Yeah, I think that's all. And for special offer, yeah, I think maybe I'm gonna use it to buy Pixel Watch next purchase. Then let's open the main Pixel 7 Pro. Ooh. Shiny. Okay, this is, I think this is metal. This is the button here, the yeah, the power button, volume button, fingerprint, USB-C, and the SIM card tray. And this is the USB-C and the speaker. Top, I think there's maybe speaker or antenna here. It's open. Yeah. Okay. Then here is the, I think this is another quick start or something. Yeah. This is the quick start. So in Japan we have this Felica. So it's about here. Felica is NFC chip for internet use in Japan. So we can use it for the commuter pass and or other contactless payment. And yeah, there's the SIM tool, and then USB-C to C cable, and the converter to USB-A. And yes, that's all. So you don't have the charger, so I think we have to use the existing charger. If you don't have the charger, then I think you can purchase by yourself. But I have the Google Pixel wireless charger, so I think I will use that. So I'll try to turn this on. I think it should take a few minutes. Okay, I think I will. Oh, the animation. There's a haptic. Okay, I think I will set up this now. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.